Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the tape-link M7450 with the 650. So you can see the interface is the same, button is the same, power supply is the same. Then the data rates you can see right here, the download is better. So DL is 600 megabytes per second comparing to 300, so that's better for 7650. Then when we're gonna go further, we can see that you're gonna have similar wireless standards. Frequency, transmit power is different right here. Then on both you are going to have also the system requires them the same, and all the other things are same, but primarily is the difference is the the data rate. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it gave you a little bit of value, and yeah, have a great day and goodbye.